guitar. I got a 6-string, I got a drum kit. I play my music loud, cause I don't give a spit. I got my bird dog, my new duck call, my old overalls, gonna have some fun. I got a new gun, critters on the run, by the waterfall, back in the woods, y'all. I'm a southern man, drinking from my can, got the target set from my deer stand. We got them girls in the camo, plenty of guns and lots of ammo, slinging the dust with my mud tires, afterwards drinking by the bonfire. She's got them tight jeans, sweeter than a butter bean. She's the kind of girl that likes to keep it clean. She's a country girl, she will rock your world. She likes to shoot them guns and have a lot of fun. We got them girls in the camo, plenty of guns and lots of ammo, slinging up dust with my mud tires, afterwards drinking by the bonfire.
Sitting in the woods, the boys and me, living life, living free, gathering around the red hot fire. Bobby got drunk, fell in the briars, popping a top, chug it down, back in the woods, far from town. Sit and have a real good time till Monday morning, back to the grind.
I got a 6-string, I got a drum kit. I play my music loud, cause I don't give a spit. I got my bird dog, my new duck call, my old overalls, gonna have some fun. We got them girls in the camo, plenty of guns and lots of ammo, slinging up dust with my mud tires, afterwards drinking by the bonfire. She's got them tight jeans. Well, I need a new truck, cause my last one is in the lake. It was all clean and everything, but I forgot to set my damn parking brake. He forgot to set his parking brake. What an idiotic mistake. But another thing that stunk, he forgot the beer in the trunk. Well, I need a new dog, cause my last one was in the trunk. He was my best friend, cause I hope someday we can make it. He forgot the dog in the trunk. Damn, he must have been drunk. What must he been thinking while he was his truck just singing?
Man, here's a story about my life. Heart and soul went into the song, man. That's what I was going through at the time. Trials and tribulations, but I rose up.
As I look up at the sky, I always wonder how things went away. What more can I say? They say life's a puzzle each and every day. What more can I say? Stay out of my way. I feel so alone, on my own, telling my life through a microphone. A story with every tone, like having a home. Every nightmare, I'm screaming out home to each other's tone. I'm still alone, scared to pick up the phone and call all the love I have at home. I'm in the zone, now I'm on my own, now I'm not so alone.
It's my life, so leave me alone. I'm trying to tell a story on the microphone.
I'm finally out of sight, and I'm leaving you back to go. Time to roll, and I know everything about you, and I'm trying to run through.
It's my life, so leave me alone. I'm trying to tell a story on the microphone.
I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone. I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone.
It's my life, so leave me alone. I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone. Come on. In my head, it's a constant war. Battling, what they battling for? Never ever heard them voices before. Voices everywhere, what the hell they screaming for? And I don't know too, but I wish I knew what my head and soul were going through. With my head so sore and my soul so torn, I don't understand what the hell I'm screaming for. Little support and nothing a little more. I can figure out what the voices are screaming for, cause I'm earning my stripes. Getting a knife, and y'all shouldn't care, cause it's my life.
It's my life, so leave me alone. I'm trying to tell a story on the microphone.
I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone. I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone.
It's my life, so leave me alone. I'm trying to tell a story on this microphone. Come on. As the walls are closing in, releasing all the suffering. Then I be going through the head, hanging low. Every time I think of you, I'm tired of you. Feel the blue, I can do it rid of you. Wait until I turn around so you can't run me through. With your evil and your hurt, making sure I'm under dirt. Living 6 feet, I can't breathe.